No, but I just don't want to disturb them.
Ah, okay. You wanna, go down a little bit of the beach. Say this one.
Mm,
Let's take this
yeah, so when it high tide, people can swim right in here, right?
one. Of course, yeah. Yesterday was good because fine time like this, it was like water slapping on the shore. It was nice, but I don't know this time why it's not the same. Normally,
Uh-huh.
it has to be 4 o'clock in the afternoon, very early.
So,
But
so
today,
when normally is a high tide?
4 o'clock
What time?
normally.
4 in the PM?
4 p.m. Yeah,
4 in
4
PM?
5. But yesterday it was nice. The water's like really like lapping on the shore, but this time you can see these rocks.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yeah.
But you can still see some of the small rocks because after we cleared all those big rocks,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
and then the water is trying to take time to clear that up.
Yeah.
Yeah.